IFTA goes to Gary Keane, The Writing in the Sky.
This is great, thanks a million. I'd just like to thank a few people, RTE and the BAI, for supporting the film, especially David McKenna, and just a great crew, the post crew led by Eugene McChrystal up there. Thanks Eugene and Killian and all the lads. And Michael O'Donovan, fantastic job Michael. Dominica Pontillo, thanks Tom. Aidan Kane, thanks a million Aidan. And to my own lot, Alison, Molly, Eddie and Tom, for some superb underwater camera work. Thanks a million. And Dermot Healy, of course, a great writer, and his wife, Helen. And last but not least, Mick Mann, a fantastic editor and a great friend. Thank you very much.